Bianca from Planning with Love. Today I'm doing a fun unboxing. As you can see by the title, this unboxing is for the Filofax Pocket Personal and A5 size Fuchsia Croc. Okay, let's get started. First, I will be showing you the labels in case anybody's interested in finding these. This is the pocket size. Next, we have the personal size. And then finally, we have the A5 size. I haven't actually opened these up, so we're going to be doing it together. Let's start from biggest to smallest. And then you get these beautiful Filofax boxes to house them all in. Let's just take all of them out just so we can see how these boxes all similar and differ in sizing. This is personal size, and then we have the pocket size right here. They are so cute, aren't they adorable? I'm like in love with how pretty these boxes are that they come with to protect them. And all right, let's do A5 size first. I'm so excited because I literally have not opened these yet. And then it comes, ooh, this is nice. Like a felt to protect it. Oh, and then it comes with this nice, it's protected again by plastic. Let's take that off so you get, oh, this color is amazing. Oh my gosh, and the feel is incredible. I haven't seen the size or color yet. Oh, I've only seen the pictures. All right, let me remove the plastic for now. Wow, this is amazing. I can smell it, the leather from here. It's incredible. It feels like real Croc for anybody who has ever felt Croc before, and if you know what it feels like, this is like genuine crocodile feel. Wow. Okay, so let's get inside. This is the A5 again. It has a snap closure silver. And when we open it, it has the zipper here, a pen loop here. Oh, wow. And it has a pen loop here. So I think A5 has pen loops on both sides. It has the zipper pocket right here. You can fit a lot in there. I plan to use this for school. I'm a master's student at FIU. Wow. And it has in gold lettering Filofax Classic Croc A5 Organizer Italian calfskin. And then it has a silver ring mechanism. Oh, this is to protect the snap. This is the papers it comes with. This is new for 2019. So the inserts in here are the 2019 Filofax inserts. And just to show you at the top, this as well has the big back pocket, which you can fit full-size paper in here, like letter paper or maybe even A4 size paper. Just to see, this is a letter size paper. Wow, the whole thing fits. You can close it up and you wouldn't even know if you had papers in there for important documents or anything you need to keep. Full-size bill paper, anything like that. That was, again, a full letter size piece of paper. Now to go to the back of this, I'll show you what's inside in a second when it comes to the papers. It also comes with this nice clear pocket, and then it has, wow, a lot of credit card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 credit card slots. And again, this is the second pen loop to the left. It has a pocket here and a pocket here. So total pockets would be 9 credit card slots. 1, 2, 3. Wow. And then the fourth big in the back, and then the zipper pocket. So that would be 5 pockets. And just to show you real quick the paper, I'll show you the paper for the A5. I'm pretty sure it's all going to be the same layout for every size, just obviously different sizes. So this again, A5. These rings are really big too. Nice. It comes with 6 divider tabs, to-dos, some blank note paper. This is like cream colored. Ooh, grid paper. That's nice. I didn't know it came with that. Some blank sheets of paper. Contacts. Ooh, some colored note pages. Blue, green, and pink. And then it comes with the, let's see what's next. Personal information page. Calendar for 2019, previously showing 2018, and then the next year, which would be 2020. And then more personal information pages in different languages. It has national holiday, national information, holidays, notable dates, a Filofax page organizer, when you need to order new pages, holiday symbols, and then this is what the layouts look like. Oh, they are different. This is what the layout looks like for the A5 size for the weekly pages. They have hourly. It starts at the beginning of January 2019 all the way to December 2019. And then at the end, it just has a few more notes pages and then time to order more. And then this. This is, again, the A5 size Fuchsia Croc. It is gorgeous. This color is phenomenal. Now let's move on to our next size, which we will do the personal. Put this over here for now. All right, let's see. This is gorgeous. Ah, I'm so excited. Another one of those little things. It comes again with this little felt protector. That's nice. I really like all the detailing that they do to protect them. The plastic again is on it. Take that off. Wow. These colors are incredible. They are just so pretty. It's unbelievable to me how pretty they are and how true. It's more like, and I don't want to say this is like fuchsia, because when you think of fuchsia, you think of kind of like a bright color. While it is bright, it's kind of like a little bit of like a raspberry. And if you here can see how, wow, see that? And it's not matte. It is matte, but it's also has a nice little shine to it. The back, and can you see these grooves? It's so nice. I mean, it smells incredible and it feels incredible. Okay, let's get into personal. The snap closure is the same. It has the similar zipper pocket on this side. And it has this back pocket here as well. Silver rings. I'll show you the inside of the paper in a moment. And then it has a few, a nice amount of credit card slots too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 credit card slots. So 2 less than the A5 size. And it has the back pocket here. The A5 had an additional pocket here. So we have, with the 7 credit card slots, 1, 2, pockets, and then the zipper. And also this has the same back pocket. It's amazing. This feels so great, amazingly made. And it has the 1 pen loop here. And just to show you a quick flip through, because I think the difference here is the weekly view. So let me just skip through. This is the weekly view in the personal size, like so. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's seriously, I'm in love. And last but not least, we are going to the pocket size. The detailing with Filofax with these is just gorgeous. I like how they care about their product by keeping all of this here. And again, it has the plastic protector to protect the leather. The smell is the same as the others. It's a beautiful, amazing smell and the feel. Wow. Okay, so we have the pocket size. So cute. You can literally fit these in your pocket. I have a girlfriend, she's a nurse, and she can fit these in her pocket. that same great texture. Oh, look at the mini. Okay, so we have, again, the little zipper, the pen loop, the pocket here, the paper. These rings, as you see, are closer while the other ones were 3 spread apart. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 credit card pockets and another pocket right here. And then, of course, the cute pocket here, which is where you could keep cash and receipts. I plan to use this as a wallet, like an on-the-go planner. And just to show, let's see real quick. I think this is the same exact layout as the personal size. So, like, they all come with the 6 dividers. They all come with the same notes. And, oh, I didn't show you, they have a ruler. Each have like a brown colored ruler with the centimeters and inches on the other side here. And let's see, here we go. Yes, so these inserts are very similar to the personal size. Well, identical to personal size, just smaller. So adorable. Oh, wow. And I'll put them all together so you guys can see. I mean, the coloring is spot on the same. Like, sometimes you'll get an agenda and it might be different variations, but look at that. They're all the same exact coloring and detail. This is gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous these are. I mean, oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe. I do videos once a week, or I currently try to. I've been in school a lot, so I've been a little bit on a hiatus. But thank you so much, and have a great day. Always remember to plan with love. Bye!